Titus predicts the Tyranids hide. Assist in the defense of the bridge until you confirm that the Xenos Overlord has entered the kill zone. Then trigger the detonation.
An inglorious death for an ignoble alien overlord. Fix it.
Delta Wing box check. Meridian reporting. Approaching landing zone. This is Talassa. Drop complete. Moving to objective. Acknowledged. Proceeding to relay. Maintain box reports. Damocles out.
Equipment highlighted.
Activating Tarantula sentry gun. I can understand why the Astra Militarum struggled to repel that horde.
The Xenos infestation is stemmed for now. Swapping magazine! Jump pack refuel. Commencing reload. The Imperium's hammer rises to strike. Gifts of the Forge. Be as an angel of death. Solar gun is fully operational. Swapping magazine.
Tellurian, what do you know of Xenos technology?
Abominable blasphemous mockeries of the only science courageous. However, some believe the study of such things could aid us in defining our enemy's weakness.
They walk a fine line.
Take flight and let terror fall. The Emperor sees your image.
Replenishing ordnance. Rally point reached, Lord Ackerman. The Munitorum does not store explosives to Codex Astartes standards. Locate enough to demolish the bridge.
The armory.
explosives to place, brothers. Charge is wired.
Bless this desolator. Explosive offering prepared!
Replenishing firepower!
Prime explosives.
We need only await the creature now.
The Hive Tyrant will reach your position shortly. Join the Imperial Guard defenses up on the bridge, and lure that Xenos Colossus into the kill zone.
Reloading! I shall suffer your foray for only so long. Purification like Christ! Persisted for too long. Replenishing firepower! Into the breach once more!
Astartes! We were not expecting such illustrious company in the rear ranks. We've got a handle on these probing strikes, my lords. It's the relay that's getting hammered right now. The leader beast will cross that bridge, and in short order, die to our tactics. That's news. Without armor support to tackle a target that big, we may have to bring down the supply bridge. All elements needed are prepared. Is this a withdrawal order? Negative. The objective is the Hive Tyrant, not the bridge. Defend this position until the Tyranid command unit is executed. Understood, my lord. May the Emperor guide our lasguns to your support. Incoming! Ready up, 8th. Show the Emperor's angels what we are made of. Left flank! Xenos on the roof! Swarm approaching on the left flank!
Reloading!
They're stacking up! The Hive Tyrant is on its way, but it is a horde of Xenos between you and it. Dig in for the long haul. You have its attention. It is moving to intercept. Apply more pressure. Keep your eyes peeled. The Xenos Leader Beast will be in visual range shortly.
Its mere existence affronts both the Eye and the Imperium.
I've never seen such an atrocity. Hold. Give the Hive Beast a moment. Detonate the charges now.
Reloading magazine. Die, beast!
This is Talassa. The ambush was a success. It is not dead.
Enlighten us, Lord Titus.
Mercy is at hand.
The swarm would go feral without their connection to the Hive Mind, but their focus is still on the relay. Reports confirm the Lieutenant's assessment. Enemy cohesion is still in full effect. That beast is not yet dead. We hear you, Command. It will be done. We can hold this position. position, Lords. We'll keep the swarm off your backs while you hunt that thing.
War is our... I would leave it to a lingering death under there were it not still directing the swarm.
Reloading. I am the righteous Lord.
Xenos hunger is insatiable, but the Imperium is indomitable.
The Emperor sees your swapping magazine.
Let us terrorize it in our pursuit.
Pursue and eliminate. We will not have a better opportunity to finish it off.
The Imperium. Reloading magazine.
That pitiful Xenos is the more horrible plot.
Commencing reload. Rats shall break.
Pay no heed to its lurking shadow. We are the hunters here.
Stim injectors here. Ready to advance. Tell us a report.
The vile Xenos slinks through the shadows. It will not escape judgment.
Talassa, you cut out. Repeat. Lieutenant! Lord! Our Fox link is out. We must be nearing the relay.
The devious tricks of this creature will not deter us.
The Xenos leader bescales the building. Take to the roof. Who needs stims? Be ready. The moment of
The Emperor demands your purgation.
creatures undergoing some kind of transformation. It just triggered every sign warning in my suit. Oh, my armor The Imperium's hammer rises to